it's LeeAnn and Jeff again, Inspirada TV. Gonna take a look at another townhome.
Yeah, this one's 3208 Vittoria, a tri-point build, end unit, which you know we are suckers for end units because you get all of the windows on the side. It makes it so much brighter in here. And you're right across the street from single family, and then one street over is the community pool within this neighborhood. Oh, hold on, I'm getting wobbly because I'm off center. There we go, all fixed.
Wow.
Good looking tile.
Yeah.
Big
Look
2
up
by
though.
2.
Yeah.
So
that's amazing.
we were just talking, LeeAnn and I filmed the one right next door back in January. Same seller, same owner on both of these units, and they did such a great job with these. Oh, look at upgraded banister.
Wow. Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yeah, this one it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1822 square foot. It's listed at $485, and that does include the refrigerator and the washer and dryer. Wow, this is terrific.
Good looking. Well, you know what's really cool is this quartz has like a gold thread, and then it just ties in with this.
Yeah, all the other gold. They even have gold pulls on the cabinet.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, like I said, this seller really did a fantastic job with this.
Pantry.
And you know what? We've seen a lot of these tri-point builds bring cabinets right across here, and they sit in there perfect.
Yeah. And
with these cabinets, I would imagine it's not going to be too tough to find the ones that match. But even if you threw something that was a different color for a pop, would
for
be
sure, you could definitely do that.
I mean, it's your house.
Yeah. You have our permission. That was not the right thing. Sorry. And this townhouse has a little backyard. Like, this is the best. Because most of the townhouses don't have backyard space. Right. Yeah, this is a great backyard.
It's a great backyard.
Yeah.
And you sit higher than the people behind you.
It's very private.
And I can't confirm if it's true, but the neighbor on this side is supposed to be very attractive. So even if you saw the neighbors, I don't know if that's true. LeeAnn's looking at me like, what are you talking about? I mean, it's bad if you have ugly neighbors.
You mean like our neighbors have?
Yes. Right. And these ceilings are really tall.
And look at that ceiling fan.
It's an
That's
awesome.
spectacular. All the recessed lighting. This is terrific space.
Isn't it?
It's a great layout.
So you have a half bath down. Epoxy garage.
Epoxy garage.
So tankless water heater. The little cubbies for the garbage cans, I think, is just too cool.
EV charging station, it says.
Yes, it's right here.
Okay.
Gosh, with gas these days, we've really been kicking around the idea of going electric.
Yeah. Just in your car, not mine.
LeeAnn loves her car too much. And it's a little 4-banger, so
it gets good gas mileage.
It does.
And I don't go a lot of places.
All right, we'll head upstairs.
I'm just gonna shut this door. The air is on. What do you say?
As always, please like and subscribe. We have hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel, all focused around Inspirada.
Yeah, I love this. The stair rails are
really
beautiful.
makes it. It really makes it, because when this is a pony drywall, it's
it makes it so much more closed in.
Yeah, this is so open, and these, like, even that window right there is just,
it's beautiful.
Yeah,
great light.
All right, so laundry,
nice, got shelves over there.
Washer and dryer stay, yeah. So high dual vanity, tucks around here. Another deep tub. Gold fixtures carry through up here. Yeah, the flat black hardware.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah,
I like it.
Another cool fan, similar to the one downstairs.
Great carpet. It's in great condition. This was built in 2023.
And that's why LeeAnn doesn't want to get rid of her car, that little cute black thing out there. All right.
I can't make that one. Come on. There's some kind of magic.
So this is a good sized bedroom too.
Yeah, it really is. And I like the corner windows.
A walk-in closet.
Hall storage.
Into the primary.
Great space.
Super bright.
I love this big window.
I do too.
This is awesome.
You have some mountain views.
If I stand on my tippy toes.
Yeah, peekaboo up into Summerlin. I'm sorry, Sun City. Anthem.
Nice space here in the bathroom.
Yeah. Dual benches.
I just want to have a friend come in and have a chat.
My legs get hairy. Well, and spots. All right. So good sized walk-in closet. Yeah, and the cool 12 by 24 tile.
Yeah,
up
the
here.
tile's nice.
Nice contrast to the 24s down there.
Mm-hmm.
And good size vanity.
And great natural lighting.
It is so bright in here.
Really nice, yeah.
Again, that's one of the benefits of the N units, because you get all those windows.
Mm-hmm.
So, as always, Jeff and LeeAnn makes Realty One Group Homes and Inspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this one or any other, please reach out to us. And if you are a first-time home buyer, we just finished a book called Roadmap to Your First Home. It's available on Amazon, but you can also go to roadmap.vegas and get a free copy. We'll send it right to you. We appreciate you watching, and have a good one.